What's up? Good morning, guys. It's raining pretty bad and it's cold. I'm on my way to Costco. See if I can pick up something at the drop. Today the batches at Costco drop at 9 o'clock. Let's see if we can get something interesting. I don't think there will be a lot of shoppers working today, so we're gonna be using that to our advantage, definitely, because we don't stop working when it's raining, at least if it's safe, you know what I'm saying? So let's see how it goes today. I hope you guys have a good Saturday, and I'll see you guys in a little bit, hopefully, if I take something. All right. I picked up a $44 order going 6 miles, 25 items. It's open right now because like I said, the batches drop at 9 o'clock, but they open the store at 9:30. So it is 9:30 right now. Let's go get it. Alright guys, another order, $58, 17 miles, 23 items. Let's get it. Man, this is nice. Let's go. Here we got it. It's order A, order B. Let's go. Okay guys, I swiped a $62 order, Costco, 13 miles, 27 items, I think. Whew. Okay guys, that's the order right here. Look, it's a little bit on the bulkier side, but we got everything except for one item. I have to refund some $8 item. Let's go check out, get out of here. It's raining so much, guys. It's becoming really annoying to keep on going on the day, but we're gonna try to make as much money as possible. You know, I don't want to go too crazy. It is really annoying right now at this point. Anyways, I'm 2 minutes away from the first drop-off, and then it should take me another 15 minutes or so to get to the second customer from here. I believe this order will put me at almost 170 on the day, which is pretty nice. My wife is just killing it today, man. She got a $50 order in the morning, then she got a 70, and now she's doing an 88. It's like really low miles on all the 3 orders she's done today, like 5 miles, 6 miles, 7 miles, something like that. Anyway, it's a pretty productive day so far for us as an Instacart couple. Let's keep going and see what happens next. Alright guys, so I just delivered that order. I'm on my way back to Costco. It is 3:23 right now. I don't know how likely it is to get another Costco because they close at 6. The very last orders might be dropping right now, but I think I could get lucky just because of the amount of orders that were popping up when I got mine and when my wife got hers. So we'll give it a shot and see if we can get a last banger for the day, and then continue by doing Publix orders and stuff like that. Let's go. We're keeping the day alive, man. I just swiped a $60 order, Publix. Whoa, man, I wasn't expecting it. It's 47 items, 2 customers, going 8 miles. Great batch, man. Let's get it. All right, people, this is it. It took me a little bit to took me 25 minutes to get all these 47 items. We got them all except for one item that I had to refund. This little basket wasn't necessary because the smaller order fit all in here. So anyway, let's go pay, get out of here, get this delivered, and get those $60 or 58, whatever it's gonna come out to. Let's go. Right, guys, just delivered the second order, and customer A tipped 50 flat, and this second customer was for a super painful apartment complex. Really difficult to deliver here, and they only tipped $3. Anyway, let's keep going, see if we can get a last order. All right, guys, I grabbed a 38 Harris Theater. Now, this store is kind of complicated to shop at. Not too easy. But you know what? It's $38, almost 40. Let's get it. I forgot to screenshot the batch, but it's 38 for 38 items, going 9 miles, 2 customers. And it's a little bit heavy. It's a bunch of sodas, but it is what it is. Let's get it. Man, you're not gonna believe this. It took me 38 minutes to shop all these items. There were 3 or 4 items that I was having so much trouble finding, guys, and not even the employees could help me. They didn't know. They straight didn't know where they were. Now let's go pay and get out of here. Get this dropped off, man. I'm tired. Well, I'm getting the last order of the day. $20, 9 items, 2 miles. Let's go. Alright, guys, that's the order. He had multiple units of each item, and he ended up adding 2 more of these. So it should go up a little bit, but I have to do a few replacements. The apples, he wanted bagged apples. Had to get loose apples, and these I had to get a whole container because the ones here requested were looking horrible. Anyway, that's it. Let's go. I'm at 270 on the day, so this one should put me at 290, hopefully.